Hi everyone, and welcome back to Fiber Theory. Today I'm going to teach you guys how to make the triple crochet. What you're going to need to understand first before we even get started is the foundation chain. If you do need help with the foundation chain, you can revert back to the very first video that I taught that shows you exactly how to make a chain, because you're going to need the chain as a foundation to create your stitches on. If you already know how to make a foundation chain, stay here and we'll continue. If you need to go back and learn that, go back to the very first video that I did and you'll learn that, and then you can come back here and learn how to do the triple crochet. Also, I just wanted to make you aware that if you do happen to need to go back to the very first video, be mindful that the videos that I was making before aren't quite as good as the ones now, but also I was also under a different name. It was the Crochet Depot at that time, simply for the fact that everything I was making was crocheted. I was not going to be teaching knitting. And then I decided to teach knitting as well, and so I wanted a name that reflected both fiber arts. So anyway, going back, if you guys need to learn how to make the foundation chain, please do that now, and then come back here and we'll begin. Okay, so you know how to make a slip knot. Slip knot is already on my hook. We're going to go ahead and make a chain of 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay? So yarn over one time and then yarn over again. Now you have 3 loops on your hook, and this is going to help you make the triple crochet. Now I want you to skip 3 spaces here in the chain, 1, 2, 3, and in the 4th space I want you to put your hook through that little space there, pull the yarn through for 4 loops. You're going to grab your yarn like you would with any other stitch. You're going to pull it through the first 2 loops, and that part's done. Yarn over, grab the yarn again, pull that yarn through the second 2 loops, and that part's done. One more time, yarn over, grab your yarn, and pull through the last 2 loops. And your first triple crochet is done. Now when you're doing a project, remember that the first 4 or 5 spaces here that you actually skipped, that's actually going to be considered one triple crochet. So in a project, you're going to make sure that you understand that that is a stitch, okay? So this would technically be your second stitch. So we're going to make another triple crochet, yarn over twice, go into the next space that's available, grab that yarn and pull it through for 4 loops. Grab your yarn, pull it through the first 2 loops, grab your yarn again, pull it through the second 2 loops, grab your yarn again, pull it through the last 2 loops. And that is how you make a triple crochet. In the next video that we do, I'm going to show you how you can use a triple crochet in any project. Thanks for joining.